everybody, hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday, and I've got something long awaited, which is another Essential Rewards unboxing. I completely forgot that I had set my Essential Rewards order to process on the 25th. It processed on the 25th, but it did not get to me until Saturday here on the 10th of March. But it's all good in the hood, and unfortunately I have a zoo going on right now. We've got little ones, my little ones running around, and my dad snoring in the background. So I am so sorry for all of the chaos today, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. So let's get started. This is gonna be a real quick unboxing. This is gonna be my shortest unboxing ever. So the new billing information, nice and easy to read. I did not get much this month. I only got 3 things because, excuse me, I only got 3 things because we're trimming the fat on our budget. And for right about now, I'm only going to be placing 100 PB orders, so it is what it is. Ooh, the catalog. I'm sure you've all already read it. I'm like behind the times with this for reals. Wedding bells. And let's look at the recipe, because that is the one thing I love about these pamphlets. Look at this. Dairy-free Earl Grey chocolate panna cotta. She's not impressed. I think that looks freaking fantastic. Look at that. Okay, so the one thing we get every month. I'm actually not going to get this again for a while. So my dad literally puts a cup a day in his smoothies. And he literally goes through a bottle like a week, 10 days max. Even though I've told him 5 times that he needs to do the serving size and we're on a budget. No. So I'm actually thinking about cutting him off. That's so mean. Okay, so I'm really excited about these because these are actually for her. So this is kind of nice that she's here. What do you all think? She's like, I can't. I'm like, I only have 2 oils, so I'm like super excited by both. Okay, so this one's called Paradise. Paradise. I might be saying that wrong, and I apologize if I am, but this oil is very specifically for dogs with upset stomachs. So Freya's been having a lot of upset stomach, gas, vomiting, not really diarrhea, but she's not eating. So we've tried a couple of different things, and this is my next attempt at trying to help her out. And Odin has some gas issues too, so I'm gonna put 1 to 2 drops in their water. So I'm excited about that. Okay. So I thought this, get out of here. So I thought this was gonna be the first video where I didn't drop anything, and I want that to be noted that I did not drop that. We cannot go without a video on this channel without dropping a bottle of oil. This time it wasn't me. Okay, so this one is Infect Away. So this is another animal scent. I'm just really trying to beef up my animal scents. I'll be honest, I got this one because my Odin, my little boy, has an ear infection. I'm using a different treatment for that, and I don't know 100% know that I can use this for that, but it just got me thinking I just really wanted this available, and also the Repel Away is out of stock, so I thought my dogs like to get into some stuff. Do you approve? So I was just thinking, before my dogs really need this, I need to get it and have it on hand. So that's it. So I only got 3 items. I spent about $110 plus tax and shipping. Since Paradise was a little lost in the sauce, but I absolutely 100% needed it, so I had to call and get that sent as well. I didn't get any free products, so that's it. It's a little disappointing. It's disappointing after you spend just enough and you've had X amount of months of free products. So it's a little disappointing. But so I don't know if I'm going to call about that. I also need to call about my free ER product. I don't know. Also, I'm still fighting to get my refund from November. Follow-up video might be necessary on that. So, I might call them tomorrow and see. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that there is a blue and a pink paw. I'm gonna have to look and see what the TOA has on it. The TOA has a blue paw. I think the TOA is a blue paw. That's so cute. Blue, green, pink. You guys, and I'm gonna have to let you all go. It's just too much. So I love you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Send some good vibes my way because I'm going to try to put out another video this weekend. As always, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd love to know what's going on. I've got any of the Valentine's oils. So tell me what you got. Tell me what you love. And tell me what's in your March order. We built my March ER order. It'll be up here. So I'm excited about that. And I can't wait for that order to come. And I'm going to process it early. So again, I'm rambling. I'm going to stop. You all have a fantastic, happy, healthy, safe day. Bye. You came just in time. Do you love it? Gosh dang it. Not my fault. Okay, that might have been my fault.